Are you looking to connect your Telegram wallet with Bybit? In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to seamlessly integrate your wallet and enhance your trading experience. Let's dive in. Step 1. Prepare your Bybit account. Before you start, ensure that you have Google two-factor authentication set up on your Bybit account. This is crucial for securing your transaction and managing your wallet address effectively. Step 2. Access wallet management. Head over to the asset page on Bybit. From there, click on Withdraw. You will see an option for address book. Tap on it to begin managing your wallet address. Step 3. Add your Telegram wallet address. Now it's time to add your Telegram wallet address. Click on the Add Address button at the bottom of the wallet management page. Choose the coin you want to add. Enter your withdrawal wallet address accurately. Pay attention to case sensitivity. Select the correct chain type based on your wallet. If requires, input a tag or memo for coins like XRP or EOS to ensure a smooth transaction. Optionally, add a remark up to 20 characters for easy identification of this address. Once you have filled in all the necessary details, hit confirm. Step 4. Verification. If prompt, complete any verification steps required by Bybit to finalize adding your address. Once done, your Telegram wallet address will be saved in your address book. If you activate the new address withdrawal lock feature, remember that withdrawal to this new address will be restricted for 24 hours. These ads can add an extra layer of security but requires some patience. And that's it. You are successfully connected your Telegram wallet with Bybit. Now you can easily manage your funds and make withdrawal with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.